Hello there, welcome to my channel, welcome to Yoga with Anja, and welcome to today's full body relaxation. You're going to be led through a guided meditation, so for you there is nothing to do, nowhere to be for the next few moments. And I would like you to choose for this practice to either stay seated or you can come to lie down in Savasana, whatever you feel drawn to, whatever your space allows you to do right now. So let's begin in a moment. I will see you shortly on your mat. So you probably found your way into your position. By the way, I said onto your mat, but you can sit upright in a chair or anywhere where you currently are. Maybe you've parked your car for a few moments, you close your eyes if you need a little bit of a break. So wherever you are, make this your space and then allow your eyes to gently soften. And if you notice that closed eyes are triggering any feelings of discomfort, or it might just not be natural today, then have your eyes open. Focus on one single spot in the distance. And after a while you might choose, or it might automatically happen, that your eyes close naturally. So really get comfortable. Wiggle your shoulders away from your ears. If you're in Savasana, stretch your legs, stretch your arms away from the body with your hands facing up. In your seat or in a chair, allow yourself to sit upright with an alertness, but without tension. And as you soften or close your eyes, imagine that this is the invitation for your entire body to do so too. Already here, finding inward and arriving back in your own body. And wherever you've chosen to practice today, imagine that the space where you're currently at is really yours for the next few moments. And anything else that is happening around you, in your life, your day-to-day life, that this can stay aside. It can wait for now. And you're here, you arrive in the right here, right now. Arrive however you are today, with a busy or with a quiet mind, and be okay with that. We take a few moments now to walk our awareness through the whole body, trying to find more relaxation. So see if you can just follow the sound of my voice, visualize that body part and allow it to soften and relax more. So let's bring your awareness all the way down towards the feet. Notice the soles of your feet, the tops of your feet, your toes. Those feet that carry you around such a lot, allow them to relax and to soften. Bring your awareness towards your ankles and relax your ankles. Wander your awareness further up, your calves, your shins. Feel your knees softening, the back of your knees relaxing. Your lower legs feeling a little more heavy now, a little more at ease. Bring your awareness to your upper thighs. Visualize the tops of your thighs. And the back of your thighs, your hamstrings. And invite your left and your right leg to feel heavy and relax now. Bring your awareness further up towards your hips, the area of your glutes. And notice the weight of your hips, your sits bones, gently pressing down towards the earth. Your lower back relaxing, the area of the sacrum, the front of your hips, the area of your hip flexors, releasing and relaxing now. Bring your awareness towards your lower spine. And imagine vertebra by vertebra, you're wandering your gaze up your spine towards the middle back and all the way up to where the spine connects to the skull. Allow your lower back, your middle back and your upper back to relax and feel a bit heavier now. Relax the tops of your shoulders, your upper arms. Relax your elbows, your forearms. Relax your wrists. And notice your palms just naturally relaxing, finding more ease. Relax your pinky fingers. Relax your ring fingers, middle finger, index finger, thumb. All fingers of the left hand and right hand are nice and relaxed now. Bring your awareness to your belly. And notice that natural rising and falling of your abdomen. Allow your belly to naturally expand on the in-breath, soften on the out-breath. Bring your awareness up towards your chest and the heart. And notice those muscles relaxing and finding more softness. Heart is at ease. Relax your neck muscles, the throat. Relax your jaw, your cheeks, your lips, your mouth. Allow your tongue to release from the top of your mouth, teeth to slightly part, the area around your nose, your eyes, the eyebrows, the forehead, nice and relaxed. Relax the back of your head, the top of your head. And imagine you're allowing your mind, your thoughts, to release with it as well. Take a moment to notice your whole being from head to toes. More relaxed and more at ease now. Very natural and soft, quiet rhythm of breath. And there is you lying here or sitting here in a very comfortable position. For these next few moments, just allow your mind and body to be with this stillness without having to steer it, to think what is going to happen. Just dropping into this very moment of presence. Very, very nice. Now if you are lying in Savasana, take your time to slowly roll onto one side, and in your own time join us in a seated position. And in any way with your palms that you would like to seal off your practice, you can have them on your knees in front of the heart. Just allow your head to bow down. A moment to allow the practice to sink in, for you to take the benefits that you need from today's class. And I wish that it will stay with you for as long as you need it. And then I will see you here again. Thank you so much for practicing from my heart to yours. Namaste.